I moved to Brooklyn, you begged me to stay. I never called cause you thought that I'd change. We both went back on the pact that we made, but you're all I know. You came to visit, but I found someone. Drove to the lake house where we fell in love. I couldn't wait cause I thought you moved on, but you're all I know. I'm tired of running, I'm tired of running, I'm tired of running from the things that we knew.
Hi guys, welcome to today's vlog. If this is your first time here, hi, my name is ONYII'S. I hope you stick around, subscribe to my channel guys. Today I'll be doing a monthly grocery shopping. So usually once every month I go to the market or the mall and buy a list of things that we need for the house for the next couple of days, like for the month. So today is the day I'll be doing that. I usually do it's either at the end of the month, like the last week of the month or the first week of the month, depending on circumstances and my own personal schedule. So I'm doing this particular on first week of the month, and I usually go to the local market and the mall. The reason I always do it like that is because there are things that are cheaper at the mall but it's costlier in the local market, and there are things that are cheaper in the local market but it's costly at the mall. So things like things like vegetable oil, like groundnut oil, I usually buy it from the mall. Today we are going to the mall. That is where we'll be doing the grocery shopping today. And again, it's not the same category of items I bought last month that I'm buying this month. What I buy every month depends on what we have in store at home. Yeah, that's the intro. Now let's go.
17, we're growing up, sneaking red wine in a paper cup. We saw the world so differently, talk about things we'd never be. 17, we're still so young, waiting outside for you to pick me up. Driving so fast we couldn't see, everything changed so suddenly. I moved to Brooklyn, you begged me to stay. I never called cause you thought that I'd change. We both went back on the pact that we made, but you're all I know. You came to visit, but I found someone. Drove to the lake house where we fell in love. I couldn't wait cause I thought you moved on, but you're all I know. I'm tired of running, I'm tired of running, I'm tired of running from the things that we knew. Had to lose it all just to know that it was you. I'm tired of running, no, 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 I'm tired of running, tired of running from the things that we knew. Had to lose it all just to know that it was you. 23 and I'm waking up, got your old picture that's collecting dust. Even when she's lying in my bed, I think about what we could have been. 23 and I've had enough, met a couple girls but it wasn't love. It's being the only one you need. Tell me, are you where you thought you'd be? I moved to Brooklyn, you begged me to stay. I never called cause you thought that I'd change. We both went back on the pact that we made, but you're all I know. You came to visit, but I found someone. Drove to the lake house where we fell in love. I couldn't wait cause I thought you moved on, but you're all I know. I'm tired of running, tired of running, I'm tired of running, I'm tired of running from the things that we knew. Had to lose it all just to know that it was you. I'm tired of running, no, 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 I'm tired of running, I'm tired of running from the things that we knew. Had to lose it all just to know that it was you. I'm tired of running, I'm tired of running, I'm tired of running from the things that we knew. Had to lose it all just to know that it was you. 17, we're growing up, sneaking red wine.
You guys, we are done with the shopping. We're on our way home. I bought this chocolate. This is actually my first time and I would love to try it. I ended up buying everything that we need except for just two things. Well, these two things are not, they're just miscellaneous that I just added to the list. That's popcorn, like the corn for making popcorn corn. So I couldn't get it. They don't have it in stock. And what else did you get? And pepper. So they usually have this powdered pepper, but today they did not have it. Both the black pepper and the normal red pepper, they didn't have any of that. So I'll have to outsource. But every other thing we've got it. So we are good to go. These days, every night I'm always craving popcorn. That was why I decided to buy popcorn corn so that I can make it myself at home. But they don't have it, so there's nothing I can do. And it's the season of roasted corn. You guys, it's the season of roasted corn. I love roasted corn. Like, it's my second best thing after avocado. Okay, so yeah, myself. This is bitter, but oh, that one I'm only in. This chocolate is actually bitter. What am I with the sneakers? Now I'm a fresh sneakers. So I'll see you guys when I get home. Let me show you what I bought. You're not touchdown.
I couldn't wait 'cause I thought you moved on, but you're all I know. I'm tired of running, I'm tired of running, I'm tired of running, I'm tired of running from the things that we knew. Had to lose it all just to know that it was you. I'm tired of running.
We are back and here are the things that we bought. Now this is everything that we bought. I saw this, the face wipes I used to buy like for my makeup. I saw it today and it's now 5,000, something that was around 3,500 or so. Today it's suddenly 5,000, so I did not even bother to buy that one. I decided to get this one, but this one is really small, 25 wipes. But I said let me try it first. Let's see how. So it's the coconut something coconut water facial wipes for all skin types. So I'm going to try this one. If I like it, then I will just continue buying this particular product. So what else? And then there's this deodorant that we used to buy, Old Spice. This deodorant right now, this deodorant I've been looking for this particular brand for a really long time. So there was a time there was one I saw at one store like that, and I went to buy it. I didn't know that it was the fake one, so we had to throw it away. So today I found this one, but the one we normally use is it's written with blue. It's not the same fragrance with this one, but I decided to just buy one of this one so that we'll try it out. And then I also got this Gillette product. I've heard good reviews about this one, like, so I decided it's good. Let's just try it. Okay, just. And then I bought the normal Nivea deodorant. This one. I got the normal Nivea deodorant. And what else? All these things here are just basic everyday things we use here in Nigeria. Oh, and then I suddenly saw malt bread. Usually we just buy milk and butter bread, but this one I saw malt bread and it's dark in color, and I said we should just try it out. We also bought this milk and butter bread because what if you don't like the malt bread, right? So every other thing is just like the normal basic things that I usually buy, so there's no point. Oh, and then we bought wine. So I've been like, people have been really hyping this wine for a really long time. So since we decided to get wine, I was like, let's try this particular. They have 3 flavors. I think they have the rose, the red wine, and this particular color. I don't know, I think this one is the champagne version or something, but it's an alcoholic wine. The name is 4 Cousins. I don't know where I saw the review, but like, people have been hyping the wine, so I was like, let's just try it. Since we decided to get wine, let's just try it. And then we also got vodka. This is Smirnoff chocolate vodka. So what else? We bought serviettes. And then I'm so in love with this particular. If you watched the vlog where I went for shopping, you would notice that I bought this soap. Like, I really love this particular color of Safeguard soap, this yellow version. That is not focusing. This Safeguard soap, I really love this lemon fresh flavor. I really love it. Like, I just prefer it than that white or the pink one. I just prefer this yellow one. So that's what I always buy it, like always. So, and then we have Canon biscuits. And then I don't know who sent me to buy this chocolate. June. I don't know who sent me to buy it. Like, that one I ate in the car. This thing is so bitter. I don't know if it's because it's a dark chocolate. They wrote 55% cocoa dark chocolate. Maybe that's why it's very bitter. But bitter, like, it's very bitter. But others might like it. But I just prefer all these Snickers, Bounty, you know, all those sweet chocolates. I did not come to this life to suffer, so why should I be eating something bitter? And then we bought gums. I always like having gums at home. And this bad boy is back, you guys. I think since this 2021, I've not bought cornflakes. I'm always buying golden mon. So I decided that it's time to switch. Like, I'm switching to cornflakes again. And I think last year they were doing a particular promo and they used to put biscuits inside. Let me check if this one has biscuits. It does not have biscuits. Then I bought sugar. I bought 2 types of sugar because I would love to bake cookies. And one of the reasons why I even bought this chocolate was to add to my chocolate chips cookies, because they don't have the chocolate chips there. So I decided to buy this one, but right now I don't think I'm going to use it because it is going to be bitter. So I bought these 2 types of sugar. This one is the normal one we use, the cube sugar. This one is powdered sugar, which I use for baking. Then I bought, and finally, I also bought a carton of Indomie. So we used to eat supreme noodles before, but recently I just decided that let's just try normal Indomie again, because it's been long that we ate normal Indomie. So yeah. And then we have this vegetable oil. And I told you guys that vegetable oil is cheaper at urban stores than in the market here, like down here. So this one I bought. The last one I bought is still remaining small. Like, I've used it for like 3 months and going. So like, this is 5 liters. I think I got it for, I don't know where the invoice is, but it's around 5,000 something. But if it was in the market, they sell it 6.5 for 6.9, 6.5 for 6.9. Maybe by now it would have even be 7,000 in the market, but at urban stores I bought it 5,650. Yeah, I can't find the invoice, so can't remember. I know it's 5,000 something. So that's this. I bought Dano milk. since last month I decided that it's time to switch to Dano milk. We've been using peak milk before, but I decided let's just try another product and see how far we can go. So that's basically it. Okay, this one my husband bought this for his car. This is that air freshener. It smells like gum, like candy or gum, but the scent is so nice. I really like the scent. It has this tiny thing. This is how it is. It has this tiny things like gummy bear. Tiny things like gummy bear. The name is Arola. Is it Arola? Arola perfume pearls. So this is a product. And I also bought this massive 2 kg sunlight. This thing will last us for like 2 months. So I always like to buy the 2 kg, 5 kg of things so that it will last. It's not every day I'll be going to the market. Then we also bought this suede shoe polish. And that's basically it for now. So yeah.
Running, no, 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 I'm tired of running.